Long time coming. To be honest with you, Kyle has been in the finals waiting on me. I haven't played some of the tournaments. I have played substandard in some, but it was great to play Kyle. They won't be a loser because we are both winners. He's my doubles partner, so we are undefeated in doubles, and today someone had to lose. I'm glad that I got the W and the victory, but it was great. You know, we went for a shot, so played good tennis. I think the crowd and the fans had a good meal for their eyes, and you know how to do it again.
The match was good. I had fun. We played our shots. We tried to do the right thing for the most part. We weren't really timid. We were, as I said, going for it. We wanted to have the crowd involved a bit, let them enjoy themselves. Comfortable with the performance. A little bad luck at the end, but credit to my opponent. He stayed steady. I made him play, and he came up with the big shots when necessary. But overall, I feel I had a good run.